You know that feeling when a year ends and you suddenly realize you're still living with the same old habits, the same routines, and the same version of you? Don't step into 2026 like that. Not this time. Not if you want a year that actually changes something. Because here's the real truth. Your life doesn't transform because of luck or motivation. It transforms because of habits. The tiny daily actions that look small today but quietly shape your entire future. One tiny habit can change your morning. 10 tiny habits can change your year. Today, I'm going to share 10 life-changing habits that will reshape your mornings, reset your mind, and rebuild your entire 2026. If you're willing to commit, grab a notebook and pen, because this isn't just another feel-good inspirational video. This is your blueprint to change your life in 2026. So without any further delay, let's get into it. Habit Hasson, wake up before the world. This habit sounds simple, maybe even too simple, but it can quietly change your entire life. Wake up before the world wakes up, not at 4 a.m., just 30 to 60 minutes earlier than usual. Why? Because in that quiet morning space, the world is silent. No notifications, no noise. For a little while, life belongs only to you. It's your moment to think clearly, plan peacefully, or simply sit with yourself before the day starts pulling you in every direction. When you wake up early, you take control of the first chapter of your day. And when you control your mornings, you start to control your whole life. Imagine this. While everyone else is still fighting with the snooze button, you've already finished a light workout, written your morning thoughts, or just sat quietly with a glass of water. That's the advantage most people never give themselves. And the best part? You don't have to change everything at once. Just start the day a little earlier and a little stronger. Habit #2. Make your bed. This habit feels tiny, almost too tiny, but it makes a bigger difference than you think. Making your bed is your first win of the day. It's a small action that tells your mind, I can start something and I can finish it. That message matters. When you complete one simple task in the morning, your brain starts looking for the next win. Your mind wants more progress, more action, more clarity. It's not really about the blanket or the pillows. It's about building order inside your environment, which builds order inside your mind. Because here's the truth. A messy room steals your energy, but a clean, intentional space gives you calm. This small act sets the tone for the entire day. Habit #3. Do one challenging task. Comfort feels good, but comfort is the enemy of growth. Every morning, you have a choice. Do what is easy, or do what actually moves you forward. Pick one challenging thing and do it first. It doesn't have to be dramatic. It could be a tough workout, a cold shower, writing something you've been avoiding, making a difficult call, studying the subject you fear the most. The size doesn't matter, the effort does. Because when you face one hard thing early in the day, everything else suddenly feels lighter. The rest of your tasks become less scary, less overwhelming. This habit trains your mind to stop running away from discomfort. It teaches you to face life head-on with strength instead of fear. In 2026, real growth won't come from comfort. It will come from doing the difficult things, especially when no one is watching. Habit #4. Protect your first hour. Most people ruin their day in the first 10 minutes. Not because they're lazy, but because they pick up their phone scrolling, notifications, messages. Your first hour is sacred. It sets the tone for your entire day. Protect it like your future depends on it, because it truly does. No phone, no social media, no distractions, no noise. Just you and your thoughts. Use this hour to build yourself, not break yourself. Meditate, journal, read, stretch, plan your day. Do something that nourishes your mind and centers your energy. This one habit can completely shift your mindset. You stop starting your day in a reactive state and begin it with clarity, purpose, and calm. Over time, this becomes your superpower. The reason you're focused when others are scattered. The reason you're growing when others are stuck. Habit #5. Move your body. Sitting all day quietly destroys your energy, your focus, and even your mood. If you want to win in 2026, your body has to move. And you don't need a gym, fancy equipment, or a perfect routine. Just move your body every single day. Walk, stretch, run, do push-ups, dance. Anything that gets your blood flowing. When you move your body in the morning, 3 powerful things happen. Number 1, your mind wakes up. Movement increases blood flow, which boosts brain creativity and mental clarity. Number 2, your energy rises. You don't need caffeine because your body becomes your own energy source. Number 3, you build momentum. When you start the day with a win, even a small physical one, your mind becomes more disciplined for the rest of the day. If your body is dull, your mind can't perform. Movement is the habit that rewards you every day, mentally and physically. Habit #6, drink water. Water is life, but most people start their day with coffee, sugar, or sometimes nothing at all. Instead, begin your morning with water. Think of it like fueling your body before you even turn the engine on. Your metabolism wakes up, your brain gets hydrated, your focus becomes sharper. This one small habit, just a single glass of water every morning, creates a huge shift over time. It sounds almost too simple, right? But that's the point. The simplest habits often create the biggest changes. Habit #7, keep your space clean. Your environment is not just a place you live in, it's a reflection of your mind. When your room is messy, your thoughts feel messy too. When your desk is full of clutter, your brain feels heavy. But when your space is clean, your mind finally breathes. You don't need a full room makeover. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day. Fold a few clothes. Throw away things you don't need. Organize your digital space. Delete files. Clear your notifications. These small actions send a powerful message to your brain. I'm ready. I'm in control. A clean space reduces stress, increases focus, and helps you think clearer. Habit #8, learn for 10 minutes a day. Learning is one of the simplest habits, yet one of the most life-changing. You don't need hours. You don't need perfect focus. You don't need expensive courses. Just 10 minutes. Pick something that grows you. A book, a podcast, a video, an article, anything that expands your mind. 10 minutes may look small today, but over time, it becomes huge. Consistency makes you powerful. Even on your busiest days, give yourself those 10 minutes, because daily learning is more than knowledge. It's fuel. It fuels your mindset, your confidence, your creativity, and your future. Never underestimate the person who learns every day. That person becomes unstoppable. Habit #9, keep one small promise to yourself. Your promise to yourself is powerful, because if you can't trust your own word, how can you trust yourself to handle the big things in life? Start small. Choose one promise, just one. It could be making your bed journaling, drinking a glass of water, taking a short walk. Whatever it is, commit to it and follow through. This simple habit builds something most people never develop: self-trust. When you trust yourself, your confidence grows and your discipline improves. These small daily wins slowly build a version of you who is reliable, consistent, and unstoppable. Habit #0, end your day with 3 wins. Before you sleep, take a moment and write down 3 wins from your day, even if they're tiny. Maybe you finished a task. Maybe you helped someone. Maybe you just showed up even when you didn't feel like it. It doesn't matter how small the win is. What matters is that you acknowledge it. Most people end their day thinking about what they didn't do, what went wrong, and where they fell behind. But when you end your day with 3 wins, your mind shifts. You go to bed with gratitude, clarity, and a quiet sense of progress. Over time, this habit rewires your brain. You start seeing opportunities instead of obstacles. Your confidence rises naturally. Small wins create big change, one day at a time. Here's the truth. You can read every motivational quote, buy the best planners, and set 100 New Year's resolutions, but nothing will change if your daily habits don't change. 2026 won't transform you on its own, but your habits can. These 10 habits aren't just routines. They are a system, a framework for a life that actually works. They improve your energy, sharpen your focus, clear your mind, and build your confidence. They create momentum that grows every single day. And here's the real secret. You don't need to start all 10 habits at once. That's how people burn out. Instead, start small. Pick one habit, Master it, then stack the next one. Before you even realize it, you're no longer the same person you were at the beginning of the year. 2026 is here, and you have a choice. You can step into it with the same old routines and hope that life magically becomes better. Or you can step into it with intention, with habits that rebuild your life from the ground up. Start with just one habit today. Make your bed, drink a glass of water, move your body, learn something small. End your night by writing 3 wins, because one tiny action today slowly becomes your identity tomorrow. Remember, it's never about perfection, it's about consistency. And in 2026, you don't just want to survive, you want to grow, improve, and truly thrive. If even one of these habits spoke to you, don't scroll away and forget it. Commit to it today. And if you're ready to take your growth seriously, hit subscribe, because this is only the beginning of building the best version of yourself. Subscribe button, related videos,